Okay, for this note, we're going to be solving exponential equations. We're going to be rounding our answers to 4 decimal places, but that would be happening towards the end. Starting with example 1 is going to be pretty simple. We're going to start with an exponential equation with base 10. I know that the base is 10 because next to it, it has the exponent. So then I have base of 10. The idea is to get the base by itself. So I am going to add 4 to both sides. Once I have the base alone, I can take the log of both sides to be able to solve for the exponent. So I'm going to take log base 10 of both sides. So I would have please remember to take the log of both sides, because what we do to one side has to be done to the other. After, the rest is pretty much just what we've been doing. That cancels, and I have this. Log of 14 is just a number. You can plug it into your calculator. I'm going to do it all together. So then my answer is going to be, is about 5.8539. You want to check your answer? We can check the solutions by plugging into x to see if it's true. And we did it here, and it gives you about 9.999, which is about 10. So that's true. So then going to B, again, the base is 10. The base is already alone, so I'm going to start by taking the log of both sides. The log and the 10 cancel. Then I add 5. Log of 6 plus 5 divided by 2. Divide by 2. Log of 6 plus 5 over 2. And that's going to give me about 2.8891. And make sure you check. And that will give you about 6. Going to example 2, we're going to change the base. Now we're going to be solving with a base of e. So I need to get rid of everything else. That gives me 10. Now, to get rid of the base e, I need to take the natural log. So the natural log of both sides, those cancel. Then I just keep isolating for x, and that will give me 3.3026 is my answer. Going to be base is e to the power of 3x. That means I need to divide by 7. You can change it to a decimal. I'm just going to leave it as a fraction. I'll take the natural log of both sides. So I have 3x log of 2 over 7 divided by 3 divided by 3. And then the natural log of 2 over 7 divided by 3. Oops, that's not my final answer. That will give me about negative 4176. That's my final answer. You would just plug all that into your calculator. So now going to example 3. These have different bases. Again, you can tell by which one has the variable as the exponent. So this one's a base of 3. That means I need to divide by 2 to both sides to have the base of 3 by itself. Now, since the base is 3, I'm going to take log of 3, log with base of 3 to both sides. Then these will cancel. We're going to use the change of base property. That's why it was important. The last example we did last week. The change of base is when the base goes, so we're going to change them to common logs. So then the base goes in the denominator and the object's on top, because if I plug that into your calculator, you get some decimal value. We can figure out what's log of 6, plugging it into the calculator. Log of 6 divided by log of 3. That gives me like 1.63092 and it keeps going. Or you can plug it all into your calculator at the end. So then it gives me, I'm going to use the color I used for that one. It's log of 6 over log of 3 minus 4. Plug all that into your calculator. So then that would give you at the end, where x is about negative 2.369. Or I could have just subtracted this minus 4, and it should give me the same or close to the same number, and it does. This is, so whichever one works for you. Either do it on the side or do it all together in your calculator. So we go to B. Again, my base is 5. That means I need to get rid of the 10. That's 12. So then we're going to do log base 5. Log base 5. These cancel. I'm going to do the change of base. So 12 and then 5. That gives me, if I plug that into your calculator, that gives me log of 12 divided by log of 5. It's about 1.543959. I divide that by 3. So then x is 0.0 5,147, and that's the answer. And this set of notes only has 4 examples, so we are done. Remember, change of base is, I go up here, change of base is with the common logs, so log over a log, where the log of the base goes here and then the object is here, and that's log base and then object. But that's it for the notes. Again, if you need help, please stop by my office hours when you guys come back next week.